thank you so much, ma'am, giving your precious time. And you're looking so gorgeous and
Thank you.
totally looking good in this outfit.
Thank you so much.
Actually, it's a profile interview where we're going to take you in your past. Little bit we wanted to explore more about you. So, as a childhood, what kind of a child you are if you just go back as a child, little cute girl?
I was actually a really grown-up child. I don't think I've ever been like a kid ever. I think I've always been very responsible, and you know, my parents told me that I never spoke like, you know, like children with that ta 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 ta. Apparently, I spoke clearly from the first time I started speaking. So yeah, that's how I was. I was very responsible. I never did any naughty things that children
very
normally
mature
do.
child, we can say.
Yeah. I used to clean if guests were coming home, my parents would call me up and tell me, you know, Nitu, will you clean the house and keep, because I used to clean the house better than my mother.
Oh, great.
So I used to keep it so clean and go. So yeah, that's how I was.
So we can say you don't miss now when you see kids around you and doing some naughty things and you think, oh, I would have done this, and now you feel like, okay, let me get back to my childhood.
The thing is, the child in me is always there. It's still there. That is also there. I think it comes out at certain situations where it should, you know, it will come out. So if I'm not feeling very like I have to be responsible at any point or something, then I will automatically become like childlike.
You remember schooling, college days?
Yeah, but not
normal
much.
Academically, and what kind of planner you are about your future?
Actually, academically, I was not exactly very interested in you know, like being a topper or beating someone. I was not a competitive person at all. I hated competition. I just wanted everybody to be what they are and just be happy. So I used to never compete.
What is your strong points, like if you remember, not academically, we talk about sports, some people are very active.
Yeah, I used to always like be the dancer in the school.
And
I was actually the best.
Also.
Yeah, but in school it was always dancing.
Okay.
And I used to do Bharatanatyam, and I was the best dancer in the school. And I used to be in like 2-3 dances on the annual day. You know, I was that person. I used to change twice, thrice, and run and go and all that. So yeah, I used to sing, and I used to also be really good at like poetry recitation and debating and that kind of stuff, but never sports.
Is any actor fascinated you in your childhood?
Not really.
Actress?
No, not really. I mean, I don't think I was ever interested in that at all.
No, mostly people get fascinated, you know, doing some steps, some dialogue. Oh, this is the movie
I can watch. I used to like Manisha Koirala a lot.
Okay.
Because she was damn pretty, so I think that's why. Like when I was really little, I used to be like, oh, I want to be like Manisha Koirala.
Have you met her? And
no,
you didn't met her. No. So what are her like fantasies? Is like any dance step or any song you used to admire? What?
Yeah, there was this song, no, the Telephone Manipal Sirita. You know, there was one song of Manisha and Kamal Hassan.
Okay.
So we used to do that dance, like me and this other girl used to do that dance, and we used to, you know, I remember that from
little bit.
What?
A song.
To sing?
Yeah, a little bit.
That's not a singing
so
song.
Sweetly, you just sang one line, and it was like, जैसे वो कहते हैं ना, मक्खी काट गई अब थोड़ा.
But that song is not a singing song, and I don't remember.
Okay, what you like mostly when you're free and you love, and if you're in a good environment, what makes you sing mostly?
Actually, me being really calm and without any worries makes me sing. I naturally start singing when I feel like calm and nothing is bothering me, kind of.
Any favorite song or inspirational song of your life?
Oh, there are so many. How can you pick one in music?
Or if friends you're together and they say you have to sing that song, any demands comes from your friends? Anything?
Yeah, but different people ask for different things.
Okay.
So,
what do your friends ask for? They don't ask you for this singing and all that because you are a good singer.
Yeah. I think a lot of times people ask me to sing songs like Kannukku Maiyalagu and all, which is like old songs. So, and I enjoy singing them.
I know. So, one line for your fans.
Kannukku Maiyalagu கவிதைக்கு பொய் அழகு கண்ணத்தில் குழி அழகு கார் கூந்தல் பெண் அழகு கண்ணுக்கு மை அழகு கவிதைக்கு பொய் அழகு கண்ணத்தில் குழி அழகு கார் கூந்தல் பெண் அழகு.
Wow, that's cool. Very nice with the ambience. Loved it. Okay, as you know, I was just reading about you. I came to know that you never want to be an actress, and it was never in your cup of tea. How true it is?
Very true.
But you're doing so well. How that journey comes out? How that comes out to being an actor?
I think it happens because it's something which is meant to happen. We all have our own destinies, and
Yes.
we are supposed to do certain things. But I didn't consciously want to pursue this as a career.
But how it happened to you? If any incidents it comes to your way?
But I've told this story a
Okay, so
million
many times.
times.
Okay.
It's all over the story of how I
So
started.
now don't feel like repeating it. So
But it just happened. It was
Okay.
something which was out of the blue.
So if not an actress, these questions have been asked. If not an actress, then what next?
What I wanted to do before, I wanted to do something like with wildlife. I wanted to do wildlife photography. Then I thought I'll do cinematography, and there was a bunch of
change
stuff.
happening.
But yeah, there was a lot of things I wanted to do.
So at the present, if you're given a choice, what will be your choices?
If
Of your-
not acting, then
Yeah.
I'll be probably I'll make films.
Oh, into direction making
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Oh, great. So if we talk about your inspiration of life, what makes you going? Like as you're a mature child and very spiritually, you know, people sometimes get to a certain level. How you have achieved yourself?
Yeah, spiritually, I think is the only way in life. It's the only path you can take. And I think all of our lives are spiritual only.
Yes.
There's nothing else. But I look at life in a very detached and a very spiritual way. It helps me to keep bettering myself and keep moving somewhere as a human being, and not
So
be
are you changing? I mean, as a person, you're growing in a different way. You judge yourself like that. Day by day, there is a big changes coming in your life.
Yeah, absolutely. I think I'm learning almost on a daily basis. I learn something new, and I keep changing on a daily basis. So I'm never the same person I was the previous day. So life teaches me that, and I see it that this is how it's supposed to be. So every time something changes in me very, very intensely, and that will change everything around me, the choices I make, the
Right.
films I do, you know, it'll change everything.
Is any
so which is
movie-
why people
Yeah.
think I do all kinds of things,
Kinds
but
of
that's
stuff.
because I'm not like stone, you know, I'm
Yeah.
not stuck on one thing. I'm constantly evolving.
Yeah. So if you have to just rate your own movie, you want to see it again and again, which will be your movie that you can see so many times? Your own movie. Is it any?
I like Malli Malli
Okay.
a lot. I like OK Kanmani also. I can see those films, I think.
When
again
people
and again.
ask you this, mostly, you know, how been you're working with your actor and your co-team, is anyone you're waiting eagerly to want you to work and you admire his work or her work? Both ways will go. Is any things are there in your mind? Yes.
There are things in my mind, but I don't think it's related to any particular person. I think talent is something which we cannot pinpoint and say
Yeah.
that okay, it's already done.
Yeah.
Some new people might come up and be even better than anybody
That's true.
else. So I don't think it's any particular person, but I do have things in mind that I really still feel like I need to achieve.
But you know, biopics are coming, we are seeing. How you relate yourself as a person, as an actor, that yes, this is the biopic I can relate to it. Is something is
But
there?
I've never done a biopic.
But you know, in your choice given, or you think as an actor, yes, this is the thing I can go for it, and I relate, and I can do the justice.
that
Has
is
this
your
some-
question. I never thought of that.
Never you
I've
thought
never-
that yes, I wanted to do some biopics and
No.
something strong personality roles
Strong
as you're doing.
personality is a different thing. Biopic is a different thing.
So nothing.
I've never thought specifically like that.
Nothing. So ma'am, we have a small rapid fire. We just want to know a little bit in just seconds of time. We want to know how fast you are, and you're an intelligent
Oh,
person. We
God.
know. One thing you're ready to fight for.
One thing I'm ready to fight
Yeah,
for.
Fast,
Freedom.
fast. Oh, are you a daydreamer?
Yes.
Yes, you dream on dreams. Wow, that's any of the good dreamer you
I'm
remember?
not going to tell you my daydreams.
You don't want to share. Okay. Your favorite food?
Dal and rice.
Wow. Your favorite place in your home?
Oh, in my home, there's my dining room.
Okay.
I've made like a little, like a
Like a
like a royal little space
Wow.
where I can just lounge after breakfast
Wow.
and look at birds and all that. So it's beautiful.
You wanted to dream some person on your, like you want to hug a person on your dream.
Hug a person.
It can
There are many.
Okay.
There are so many people I've thought of.
Okay, but
But-
one person.
One person.
Fast, Nitya ma'am.
I can't think of one person.
No?
I've actually thought so many times like that. Oh, I wish I could meet this person, but the person has passed away or something.
Okay.
But then, yeah,
Okay. What
Okay.
makes you happy?
what makes me happy?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Come on,
That's
come
a very
on.
deep question. How can you ask rapid fire
This
questions
person-
about
this-
happiness?
this
Okay, singing
relates.
makes me happy.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
What makes you sad?
Oh, bad people,
What makes you
angry. When
This
someone
action-
when someone gets paid for something and they don't do that job,
Wow.
like inefficiency in job makes me very angry. I don't know why.
That's good.
I'm trying to get over it.
And from your childhood, one thing you have learned whole your life that you remember.
One thing I've learned from my childhood, my dad once told me never cheat on
That's
a
good.
test, and I never cheated ever, like
That's a
in my
good one.
life. Yeah.
Your favorite compliments?
My favorite compliments. Wow, I've got some really nice compliments.
One. We just wanted to know one. Which just touches your heart. You loved it. Fast, ma'am. Nitya, ma'am. Fast.
I think my favorite compliment is when people actually recognize who I am as a person and they point it out and they say it.
Do you want to make any change in your life and yourself?
I'm constantly making a change in myself.
If you have to advise your mother, what you will advise?
My mother.
Yeah.
Oh
you have
God,
to
lot of
advise her.
things. Lot of things.
One thing.
Stop trying to control everything.
What makes you sit for hours?
Oh, I sit for hours with
Like this, any
yeah.
a book or something makes you read
I don't
nothing.
need. I can just be myself and sit for hours.
A actor crush from childhood. Oh my God, it's so nice. Something fantasies there, no? Always as a child.
When I was a kid,
Yeah.
actor crush.
Come on. Fast.
Arjun Sarja.
Has anybody got the guts to propose you when you were a child, like in school or
Yeah,
college?
yeah,
they
yeah,
got
yeah.
the guts. Who was that? Student?
I mean, yeah, couple of times. But I was like, what? What are you? How can you say that? I was mean.
So you got a proposal. You remember? It's in
Yeah.
college or school?
School.
Oh, great. Define love. For your way.
Love is love is unconditional.
Yes. And if you come to know that you're doing this role or a movie with an actor, you will lose your sleep. Will it will happen with you? Or you will, it's okay. Going, okay.
Maybe Leonardo DiCaprio. Then I'll lose my
Wow. What's your favorite subject in your school?
sleep. English.
What do you hate?
Mosquitoes.
Okay. A message for yourself. Have you tried giving this, a message to yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, great. What was that?
Believe in yourself more.
And so this was very little bit. We just finished it off. Hope you liked it. It was very slow, but we wanted to make you
Sweet.
fast.
Yeah, but you asked all deep questions in rapid fire.
No,
so.
it has to be because your personality is like that. You think and the personality you reflect is something different. What I have observed personally. If I'm not wrong, right?
Yeah, I think so.
So we'll just end up by saying a message you have given to yourself, to your fans, and you wanted to spread, and you get to associate it in the future to spread that awareness. If something is there, you wanted to get associated.
Yeah, I hope that you know, like, people will remember me for making some difference in their lives. It's not that I did acting and I became very popular or I got something from it, but I hope that I can do something where watching me on screen can change something inside people, in them, and they can feel better about something. Like, if I can bring that change, then I feel I've succeeded, and that's what I'm striving for always, and that's what I'm hoping to achieve before I die.
We wanted to end up by an inspirational song with your expressions. I know you do very good expressions. You're good in that.
But I just sang.
Sang with good expression. You're a good dancer, and you don't need to dance. Just your expressions are so. I've seen the video that you express the way it was like awesome. So we just want a one line and with your expressions.
I'll sing one of the songs I sang in Telugu then.
Yes.
Maybe I'll sing
Your lovely expressions.
Are re, ఏంటో ఈ వరసే కలిగే కలిగే నాతో నీ వలనే ఎందుకో కలవడం తెలియదే. I forgot the lyrics.
So sweet the way you were expressing. See, you don't need to dance. Your face is giving all the expression. Thank you so
Thank
much, Nitya
you.
man, for giving your precious time.
Thank you so
much.
much.
Ma'am.
Thank you.